There are tons of best range hood available in market, so making the right choice is quite difficult. To make your choice quite easier, here we welcome you to the latest and top selection of 5 best range hood. Let's start. At number 5 we have listed the unique side draft best range vent hood design for kitchen. This range hood side draft design not only provides excellent performance but looks great as well. With an automatic open baffle plate, when the unit is powered on, it will open to a 90-degree angle, capturing smoke and fumes before they escape. A large 6SF coverage area easily covers all 4/5 burners on your cooktop, guiding smoke upwards and creating a barrier to prevent you from breathing in harmful smoke and grease. It has a dual centrifuge fan system with strong ventilation power, and only 54 decibels quiet operation on highest speed setting. An elegant touch-screen control panel with a delay function that lets the hood work for 2 minutes after you are done cooking to ensure all the smoke and odors are removed from your kitchen. There is also a screen lock function that prevents the unit from misoperation while you are cleaning the unit. As the leader of side draft range hoods, FOTILE spent 3 years of consumer research deeply understanding the pain of not having a properly working range hood. By launching the V-Series side draft range hood, FOTILE solved the fundamental problem of extraction. It perfectly covers 4 burners or more with powerful smoke and odor extraction. 2 fans working in tandem create turbo-centrifugal power for strong, fast suction from a durable metal impeller. The dual centrifugal fan absorbs cooking fumes faster and discharges quicker. If you are new here, please subscribe our YouTube channel. At number 4 we have positioned the wall mount best range hoods for kitchen. Remodel your entire kitchen with Cosmo's CUS63175 modern canopy wall mount range hood. Experience premium brushed stainless steel built to withstand high heat, grease, oil, and steam. Thick stainless is used all around to fight against accidental bumps and dents. Our wall mount range hood includes a chimney set that's seamless on all 3 sides for cleaner lines. Easy-use push-button controls require no guesswork. Cook without unwanted odors and harmful air pollutants disturbing your home. At number 3 we have positioned the 30 inches 860 cfm under cabinet best range vent hoods. Easy to disassemble for cleaning, this BV range hood is a high airflow ducted unit with lights and stainless steel baffle filters. The entire range hood is designed with easy removal and cleaning of parts, without specialized tools required. At number 2 we have positioned the non-ducted ductless range hood with lights exhaust fan for under cabinet. The kitchen is a primary source of poor indoor air quality. Excessive smoke and airborne particulate quickly infiltrates every room in a home. Providing effective filtration, high quality and value. A removable combination grease charcoal filter for cleaner indoor exhaust recirculation, a fan designed for years of trouble-free service, a protective lamp lens that distributes light evenly over the cooktop, and control switches for fan speed and light activation. The top choice, and at number 1 we listed the BCSD130SS Glacier range hood with light exhaust fan for under cabinet. Upgrade your kitchen with the Brown-Newton Glacier 30-inch under cabinet convertible range hood. This versatile range hood insert offers a complete solution to your ventilation needs by providing both an exhaust fan and overhead light for your stove. This range hood provides a max 300 cfm and 5.0 sones blower performance to quickly remove smoke and cooking odors from the air, and the hidden 2-speed rocker switch allows for quick fan adjustments and provides the ideal level of ventilation every time you cook. It also features the capture system, an advanced blower design with a forward-positioned centric inlet to remove 97.4% of smoke and odors faster. The 2-level built-in lights accept up to 50-watt halogen bulbs, not included, to evenly illuminate your cooking area, and they are also controlled by a hidden rocker switch for ease of use. This sleek stainless steel range hood fits neatly underneath cabinets, and it features mitered sides and a hemmed bottom with no sharp edges to help ensure safety and provide a more decorative look. The two one-piece dishwasher safe open mesh grease filters offer easy cleaning so you can maintain optimum grease capture and keep your kitchen ventilated. This four-way convertible range hood unit measures 19.625 inches by 30 inches by 6 inches and installs as 3.25 inches by 10 inches ducted opening connected vertically or horizontally with damper, 7 inches round vertical ducting, damper sold separately, or as non-ducted with air recirculation, filter sold separately, to provide versatile installation options at least 18 above the cooktop. It includes hidden louvers on top of the hood that exhaust away from the cabinetry. It can work in an ADA-compliant application as well. It is both UL listed and HVI 2100 certified for safety and protection, and it includes a 1-year limited warranty. Enhance your kitchen with the Brown-Newton BCSD 130SS range hood. The clean, contemporary shape of Glacier complements any kitchen design. Brilliant halogen lighting and superior smoke and odor removal are a mere introduction to everything this hood has to offer. Two-level, halogen bulbs, purchased separately, provide warm light over the cooking surface, adjustable to high or low levels. Hidden on-off rocker switches control blower speeds and light levels. Dual dishwasher safe, aluminum open mesh filters provide efficient grease removal. Fits neatly underneath cabinets to offer a complete solution to your kitchen ventilation needs by providing both an exhaust fan and overhead light. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.